I am here to vlog the process of coconut harvesting, and I think it's interesting for you guys. Ay! They're going to pull the coconut using a very long bamboo stick, and then at the end of that stick there's a very sharp knife. Ay, butiki! And this is a hard job for the horses here. I will explain the step-by-step process of this coconut harvesting. Good morning, guys! So right now, we are here at the coconut farm, and my auntie is going to harvest some coconuts. So we are here. I am here to vlog the process of coconut harvesting, and I think it's interesting for you guys. I will explain the step-by-step process of this coconut harvesting. And sorry with my voice, I am a bit sick right now. I have a sore throat. Okay, so he's gonna do it right now, but we need to remove our caldero, the pot. So it's going to be dangerous.
Uy, ang kaldero malala. Ay, wag!
Ay!
Ang galon.
Galon.
Dikit mo niya. Dikit na lang niya.
So first thing in this harvesting is they're going to pull the coconut using bamboo stick, a very long bamboo stick, and then at the end of that stick there's a very sharp knife, and they're going to pull it, and then coconut's gonna fall. But they are just harvesting the old coconut, which is the brown one, like this one. And by the way, doing this, it's kinda heavy. That bamboo is heavy. Yeah, so that's very tall, and that's, he removed the other stick because it's very tall. He's using a shorter one because the coconut is also short. And when the coconut is tall, and then he's going to put again this bamboo. Ooh. Ah! Oh my gulay! So you have to be careful because it's very dangerous if the coconut is gonna fall into your head. Ay! So I have a friend of mine try to do this coconut with bamboo, and it's very hard. Ah, yay! We have batang, which is the young coconut. Baby coconut, yan putot goro. Agay! Okay, so the second step is this one, like this. Because once the coconut drop from the tree, they're separate, like spread all over. So it's easier for the horse to get this coconut once it's all in one place. Like this one right here. Actually, this size of horse here in Philippines, size of a donkey in United States. Because they're very small, like around 4 feet, I guess. This is a female and this is a male. And once you remove the coconut, you have to level them. Don't do like for example this one. So this is heavier, so he's going to the other basket and then remove the coconut. Then later on, this one again, like this one also. So it's heavier, this area. Oh my gulay. And this is a hard job for the horses here, but this is their job here in the province because humans can carry all of this stuff. And also not in all areas here accessible by truck or transportation. So this is the transportation for the coconut. So now he's going to pick up the coconut. Oh, I feel so bad. So he's going to pick up because there's a lot of trees and then it's spreaded. So they're going to transport and put it here. Later, I am going to show you the other steps of this coconut harvesting. So this is their stick he carried earlier. So this is how he transport them. Separate them into, this one is 3 sticks. Yes, so right now it's boiling and we're going to cook corn grits. Corn grits, very corn grits. Actually, the workers requested this kind of rice. Okay, mix it. You need to stir it properly because I think this is very thin kind of. This one looks like, yeah, rice porridge. Oh, okay, so that's the texture. That looks like porridge, rice porridge. No, yun na, tibugol oh. Wala na luto. Tusuka na. Buka. Ngiyong, it's cooking. It's pretty easy. Sabon na eh. Okay, so this is the food that we prepared for lunch. This is corn grits. And this is corn grits. And there's some mongo. And then there's some pork soup. And then some pork soup. Yes. Ah, horsey. The baby horse up here. Ay, butiki. Ooh. Ay, butiki. Ooh. So, we have some buko salad. We're gonna eat some buko salad. So this is our buko salad with condensed milk and then coconut water. Yeah. Wow, yummy. Wow.
Karong yang ibuhian, wa naman halin.
Bana-bana ni mo ti pila ni ka kaning ko ana. So pila ni Nicole. To Oh, 3,000. This a pile of coconut is 3,000 pesos. Ay, 3,000 pieces. Not included these 2 baskets. They're counting it. So this pile here, 1 piece equivalent to 100 pieces. And all of this is 30. So all of this here is 3,000 pieces. Coconut harvesting takes few days or weeks, depending on how big is the area. This area was only 1.4 hectares, and the payment getting the brown coconut from the tree was 1,800 pesos. There's a few category in paying per 1,000 pieces. From tapok means putting the coconut together. That's 200 pesos per 1,000 pieces. And the total pieces of coconut was 3,000 pieces. Next, hakot means horse transport. That's 250 pesos per 1,000 pieces. Next, bunot means peeling the coconut like this. That's 300 pesos per 1,000 pieces. Next, lugit means taking out the coconut flesh. This includes breaking the coconut like this and putting the coconut to drying area. That's 300 pesos per 1,000 pieces. Next, landa means drying the coconut flesh with smoke overnight. That's 250 pesos per 1,000 pieces. After they dry the coconut, they are going to weigh all of them. And the total kilos of dry coconut was 560 kilograms. And the price for cupras was 29 pesos per kilo. So the total sale was 16,240 pesos. Minus the total expenses, 5,850 pesos. So the sale minus the expenses was 10,390 pesos.
Try, lami. Try lang.
This land owned by my grandparents. After they passed away, the land was divided to 7 siblings. Now, my mom has a piece of land and I decided to farm the area. That's my next project. The location was 10 minutes walk from the main road, but few years ago, they made temporary road, and now it's accessible by 4-wheel drive, truck or car, and motorbike. but it's a bit tricky. My plan is to plant some basic vegetables and build a small wooden farmhouse. The vegetables that grow depends how many seedlings, expenses, and fertilizers I can provide. But if you want to support my farming project from seedling expenses to fertilizers, farming tools, and small wooden farmhouse, any amount is appreciated. You can send to my PayPal account. This also helps me to continue vlogging and share it to you guys.
Hello guys! So hey guys, we're drinking now soju. Yummy. It's good, but it's halang price. It's
Expensive price.
expensive, right?
Expensive price for
Expensive price for one bottle.
360 ml for 100.
My God. Sige, sige. Lamiit.
Kahubog. Gamay lang.
Paan? Maniwang. Kana si Milong.
Yeah.
Milong bug nang kanang bali ni Milong sa una kong
Isang it. Coconut. Bonat. Coconut. Eating. Coconut.
Kardiro.
Yay! So cute. So cute. Love you. Love you. Tablet. Give me. Give me. Give me tablet.
Katawa po siya.
Ang inanay, sumayin ko niya sa balay. Ayaw, dirty. Tiil. Cellphone.
Love you, Sophia.
Love you, mommy.
Love you, mommy. Nanay. Love you, nanay.
Love you, Sophia.
Nanay, doy. Nanay. Say
Nanay.
Sophia. Madam. Madam.
Madam. Madam. Tawgon lagi ko niya sa balay aning madam. 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 These woods are for my sister's house project. It really helps with wood expenses because these trees are from my mom's land area. Oh, so we found some ube.
Nga bato og kustanira god.
How many years this ube grows?
Ay, naputol.
Yan sa na pagtanom.
Pambalik mo na ni konti.
Kana. Kana ray, tanom. Ube, di lagi na violet.
Pero labok ay na. Ini siya violet, pero labok.
Tumba na. Ay, naapil lang isa.
Gamay rin na. Gamay rin na ay.
And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.